What happens when you combine my two favorite things, coffee and musical theater, into one video? You get musical theater inspired coffee drinks. Hey everybody, welcome back for another episode of Musical Theater Inspired Coffee Drinks. My name is Nate Plummer. I am an actress coach and the founder of Stage Door Unlocked. I love coffee, so to help us celebrate the Tonys, we are creating each one of the nominees for Best Musical in 2019 as a coffee drink. And today we're gonna celebrate Broadway's most undead musical, Beetlejuice.
Based on the Tim Burton film of the same name, Beetlejuice tells the story of Lydia, an unusual teenager whose house is haunted by a recently deceased couple and a demon named Beetlejuice.
The look of this drink is inspired by the title character himself. We're gonna have a blended cookies and cream mocha served in a plastic cup decorated with black stripes to represent his suit. We're gonna top everything with whipped cream, which we're gonna spray bright green to represent his hair. Finally, we're gonna add in some gummy worms and some crushed up Oreos on top to represent dirt. We want this drink to have that whole being dead thing look. Okay, remember my clients told me I can only do one musical theater pun per video. So, there you go. Let's do this.
For this drink, you'll need ice, milk, crushed up Oreos, gummy worms, purple sprinkles, white chocolate cocoa powder, black gel frosting, and edible green spray paint. First, put your ice into your blender. Then, pour in your cold brew coffee. I'll be using Stage Door Unlocked's Backstage Blend.
You heard that right. We have our own blend of coffee. That's how seriously we take coffee here at Stage Door Unlocked. In all seriousness though, all the proceeds from the sales of the coffee that we sell go to help young performers who maybe need a little extra funding to afford their training. If you'd like to buy your own bag of coffee and support our coffee program, you can visit us at www.stagedoorunlocked.com/coffee. Back to the recipe.
Crush up the cookies from 6 Oreos. Add 1 packet of white chocolate cocoa into your blender. Add about 1/4 cup of milk. Add 3/4 of your Oreos. Add another 1/4 cup of milk to your mix. Blend all of your ingredients together. Decorate your cup with curvy zigzag lines using the black decorating frosting. Pour your drink into your zigzag decorated cup. Put on your whipped cream. Put down a piece of paper or some paper towel to protect your counter from the spray paint. Spray your whipped cream with the edible green spray paint. Put on your purple sprinkles. Stick in 3 gummy worms. Top everything off with the remaining crumbled Oreos you have from earlier.
And there you have it. There is our Beetlejuice inspired coffee drink. If you'd like the recipe for this drink, you can find it down in the description box below. If you'd like to learn more about Stage Door Unlocked and everything that we offer for actors and their teachers, you can go to www.stagedoorunlocked.com. If you like this video, go ahead, give it the thumbs up so we know that you like what we're doing. If you want to see more musical theater inspired coffee drinks, go click that big red subscribe button so you get notified whenever I post a new video. That's it for this video. You're awesome, be awesome, and I'll see you next time.